Hi everyone, welcome back to DanceMamaDance, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Grove Collaborative box. This is super cool. I'm going to show you guys the inside of my box. There's a bunch of stuff that I definitely did not order and did not get charged for. So they must be gifts, which is awesome. So cool. So I got I'll turn this on so you can see a little better. Don't mind me, my hair is still wet. Life of a toddler. I got to take a shower, but that's it. So this is their cleaning concentrates. I haven't tried this one, I don't think. This is the all-purpose cleaner, and basically what you do is you take a empty spray bottle. They have a glass one that's really, really nice. It has a silicone bottom. And you just put one of these little concentrates in there, and it's a nice way to reduce plastic because the glass bottle or whatever bottle you use, obviously you can use over and over again. So this is the all-purpose one. I don't think I've tried this one. I think I tried the floor one. I'm not sure, but that's very fun. Thank you, Grove. That's very awesome. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description box for anyone who's interested. I was skeptical. I don't think I've shared this yet. I was a Grove Collaborative subscriber. Tyler was probably like one, so maybe like 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago, something like that. So I rejoined after I was inspired by watching different YouTubers doing their cleaning videos. I'm like, that stuff looks so nice, and I love that the majority of it is plant-based. So that's really cool. Thank you, Grove. I will set that over here. And then, I don't know if you guys saw in one of my other videos, I accidentally broke my stoneware tray, and I was so bummed because it's beautiful. I love florals and anything spring, so this is great. I'm really excited. This actually was one of the free items I knew I was getting because I spent above a certain threshold. But because I'm a VIP subscriber, I do always get free shipping. So I'm gonna leave my link. Like I said, you always get free products when you are a new member. So I'm not sure what they are right now, but definitely check those out. This is another thing, I definitely did not order this. And thank you, Grove. I mean, it's really great. I know I didn't because I have 2 bottles of this already, which means obviously I like it, but I wouldn't have ordered it. So that's really cool. I'm grateful. It's really nice to have those little fun extras in here. It makes it kind of special. I did go ahead and there's a bunch of stuff in here. Okay. Wanted to try their paper towels. So this is the Seedling by Grove. So it's made with 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane. And for every 50 rolls purchased, they will plant 1 tree. So I think that's really cool. It has some cool facts about bamboo on here. But really cool. I was in need of paper towels and figured I might as well give these a try. So we'll see. I don't use paper towels for all my cleaning. I do like to use them when I clean the bathroom, just because then I can throw them away and they're yucky and stuff. Very fun. I didn't order these either. This is so crazy. I'm so excited. Grove, you're the best. Oh my gosh. So I have some of these. I love them as well. So these are the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges. So they've got the walnut scrubber on one side and then the cellulose sponge on the other. So these are really nice. I like to use them for scrubbing my floors. I have a toddler, we tend to make a lot of messes, so they work really well, and I like them a lot. So thank you, Grove. It's awesome. Thank you so much. What else did I get? Ooh, I'm excited to try this one. So I think it was a meme the other day about putting sunscreen on a toddler and having that be a test for whether or not you're ready to be a parent. And I never really understood why people had problems with that until this summer. Tyler's almost 3.5, and he's like, we opened that sliding glass door to go play outside, and it's like a jet. Like, he's done. Forget sitting at the table, putting on our sunscreen, making sure we have our hat on, like ready to go. No, off to whatever he wanted to play with. So I thought I'd help myself out and give this a try. This is the Alba Botanica Kids Sunscreen. It's SPF 50, which is actually higher than the SPF I'm using now. I did buy the new line by Kristen Bell and Dax Shepard at Walmart, the Hello Bello, and I love the smell. It's awesome, but I needed something in a spray, and I wouldn't normally get an aerosol, but we'll see if it helps. Whatever keeps us sun safe, right? So I'll definitely let you guys know how that goes. But what else? Oh, the dreaded summer problem. We don't get these a lot, but definitely like late July and August, we tend to leave our fruit out on the counter, and I get fruit flies a lot, so I wanted to give this a try. It was a more natural version of a fruit fly catcher. And then I did order these. I wanted some more microfiber cloths. I've just been doing a lot of extra cleaning just with our renovation and everything, so I felt like I needed a few more of these, and I really like them because they have this cool little corner that you can grab onto and like get stuff that's really fine. So love their microfiber cloths. What else did I get? More fabric softener. I love this fabric softener. We use almost all 7th generation products for our laundry. My son has really sensitive skin, and I really like all of their free and clear options. I did go ahead, I've never tried this. I'm a little nervous. I've always been fearful of bleach, and I don't really know why, but I have been. But my husband is a builder, and I'm finding like his white shirts, especially in the summer, they just get kind of yucky, and they're not white anymore. So I thought I would give this a go and see how it works. It says no harsh smell, which is one of the reasons I have an issue with bleach, is it's so stinky and gross. And I'm like afraid it's gonna like burn me if I spill some. I know it won't, but yeah. Anyway, so I will try this out, and hopefully that works and does the trick. What else did I get? I got some toilet bowl cleaner from 7th generation. What else did I get? Oh, yep, I think they were having a promotion on 7th generation. I think it was like 25% off or something, so I did stock up a little bit. I got the multi-surface one, and I use this in the kitchen, specifically if I'm like any type of raw meat and doing any type of cutting. I do use this on my countertops before I use my Method granite cleaner, just to make sure that it's nice and disinfected. And then I do use the 7th generation disinfectant bathroom cleaner, and I use this for our toilet and our sink. So this is great. I've been using this one for a while, and I really like it. So that has been a good switch for me. I was using I think it was the Method, it's a foaming bath cleaner? I don't remember, but I didn't love the smell, and I like this one a lot better. So I also love this. This is from Mrs. Meyer's. This is the tub and tile cleaner, and I find that it works really well, and the scent is great. It's not super overpowering, and I just love this brand. Really good stuff. So the last product in here is very fun. This is I thought this was a 3-pack. Maybe it's not. It's the Hello Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. So I saw a couple reviews on a YouTube channel for this, and I thought it seemed really cool, and I really liked that it was never tested on animals. What else? It's like all good stuff. No peroxide, no dyes, no artificial sweeteners, no SLS sulfates. No brainer. That's so funny. Love it. So I'm gonna give this a try and see if it works well. We'll see. So the other fun thing that I got in my Grove box was they always give you like a little guide to everything they've got going on for the summer, and different products that they have, which is nice. It just kind of gives you a little more information. I do tend to read through most of the descriptions of the products on their website, but this is kind of nice. So, Now Blooming, ooh, fun. So to try that out, what is that? Limited edition Compassion Flower, that'll be fun. Usually these are exclusive to Grove, so that's super fun. Definitely try that out with the bottle a lot. And then this was something, I didn't do this buy one, get one deal, but they had a special with these supplements as well. I haven't really checked them out, but very cool. So that's my Grove box. I'm super excited. I've got all this fun stuff and I can't wait to use it. Thank you so much, Grove Collaborative, for sending the freebies. I always appreciate fun stuff like that, and then I can try it and let you know how it goes.